morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's been a minute. I just been plugging along. Ain't been doing no taping. But I thought I might do a little today. It's Saturday morning, and it's a beautiful day here in western North Carolina. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to get a few things done. We'll see how it goes. One thing I did get done, I got all my bluebird houses cleaned out. They'll be back maybe in the summer toward the fall of the year to raise some more little ones. I'll show you my houses. I got about 5 all up the fence. I like to see the birds, so I try to keep them my house to get in. There's the corn cow food. It's really growing. We've had plenty of rain, so as long as we get rain, it'll grow. It ain't done too good last year because it didn't get no water. Corn's got to have water when it goes to tossling, or it won't make. I decided to go ahead and cut around the fence. First thing, I'll show it to you. It's so hot and humid, I can't stand it out in the sun. Try to keep it cut just around the edges. You can see out there, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but about waist high. I try to keep it cut around the edge so it would have some tender grass to eat too. Yeah, it's cutting that grass around the edge sort of serves several purposes. The rabbits, they have a lot of rabbits out in the pasture, so it's pretty safe out there for them. And on up in the summer, when it gets real dry, and it will, I've had this pasture on fire several times, and when it does, there's no stopping it till you get to a break, and that's what that is. How to slow it down so you can sort of beat it out. But I'm just gonna show you. That's what I got done this morning. I'm gonna wash out the bird feeders, put some seed in them. They feed all the seed out, and clean up the homemade bird bath. Like I said, it's so hot and humid. That thing will be full here in a little bit. So I get my stuff and sort of get started. I got plenty of wood stacked up for my fire tonight if I decide to build one at 100 degrees. It's one thing about that thing, it's easy to clean. And the birds like it, so I guess that's a win all the way around. We'll try to wash out these feeders a little bit. I ain't gonna do a whole lot to them, but try to wash them out just a little bit, I guess. Don't think they're gonna come clean. Nope, they're not gonna come clean. But be better than nothing, I guess. I don't put too much in them because we have a storm about every day, so it just ruins it if it gets wet. So I don't put a whole lot in it at one time. That's about all I put. They'll eat that up pretty fast, but so cheap bird feeders, if it comes to rain, it gets it wet. All right, y'all. That's going to be it for me here. Wasn't much of a video, but it's a video. I want you to see little feller. He looks huge. All right. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one. If you hadn't ever seen a groundhog or heard a groundhog holler, keep watching. I got one on here. All right. See you.